Greetings to all my 9th standard students. On the 5th day activity, our topic is articles. An article is a word that comes before a noun. Where we have to put an articles, we have to put articles before a noun. Okay. There are two kinds of articles. The first one is definite article and another one is indefinite article. Okay. In definite article, we have to use the article the. Okay. In indefinite article, there are two articles. The first one is a and another one is an. Okay. There are two indefinite articles in it. Okay. Let us see the indefinite articles first. Indefinite articles does not specify the person or thing. Okay. It does not specify any things or persons. Okay. For example, she saw a pencil on the table. Here, a pencil. Here, they are using an article a before the pencil. Why they are using this article? Because that pencil is not specified. Okay. So any pencil it may be. Okay. So this sentence, she saw a pencil on the table using for this purpose. This is an indefinite article. Okay. Next one. Where we have to use this article a with the consonant sound. Before the consonant sound, we have to use the article a. Yeah, pencil, yeah, cat, yeah, BA graduate. Here the BA graduate, we are getting the consonant sound here, B. Okay. The next one, this indefinite article a is used with vowels with the consonant sound as Y in S. Okay. Here, a European, a union, a useful thing, a university. These words are given to us here. In the words, the first letters are vowels, but though these letters are vowels, we are getting the consonant sound. European. Okay, here European, the Y is pronounced is there. So we are using the article a before that words. Okay, a European, a union, a useful thing, a university. Okay, next one. The article a is used before a singular countable noun when it is mentioned for the first time. For example, the sentence, I saw a dog. Here we are seeing a sentence, I saw a dog. Here we are introducing the dog in this sentence first time. Okay. So before that word, we are using this article a. Okay. When we mention a thing or person or any noun, when we are mentioning it in a first time, we have to use the article a before that noun. Okay. And also it should be a singular countable noun. Okay. Next one, the article a with the expression of quantity, a lot of time, a great deal of money, a dozen apples. Okay. Here a lot of time shows its quantity. Before that quantity, we are using the article a. And then a great deal of money. Okay, here we are telling the quantity of money, a great deal. So before that word, we are using the article a. And then a dozen apples. Okay, next one, with certain numbers. When we are saying the certain numbers, we are using these articles before that certain numbers. Here they are giving example to us, 100 mangoes. Okay, 100 mangoes. Here the 100 is a certain number. Okay, next one, 1,000 rupees. Here 1,000 word is given to us a certain number here. So before that word we are using the article a. Okay, next one, the article a is used after half and before half. Okay, 2.5 kilos. Here the word half, here we are using the article a before the word half, 2.5 kilos. Okay, and another word, half a day, half a day. Okay, after the half we are putting the article a. Okay, in exclamation also this article a is used. What a pity, what a lovely flower. Before the adjective words in exclamation sentences we are using this article a. Okay, next one. Okay, now we are going to see the article and. The article "an" is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. Okay, what are the vowel letters? Already you know, A, E, I, O, U is the vowel letters. But here we are using the article "an" before the vowel sounds. Okay, we have 20 vowel sounds here. And vowel letters having vowel sound words: an apple, an elephant, an apple. Here the word a sound we are getting here. So this is a vowel sound. So before the vowel sound we are using the article an. Okay, an apple, an elephant, and then an ink pot, an ox, an umbrella. Okay, next one. Consonant letters but having vowel sound. This article "an" is used before the consonant letters but having a vowel sound. That consonant letters having a vowel sound, so that we are using that article "an." Here you see the NSS boy. Here NSS boy. N S S. How do we pronunciate it? N. We are getting a sound here, so that we are putting an article "an" is NSS boy. Okay, next word, an NCC boy, and MLA. In MLA also we are getting the sound a. Okay, MLA. Though this letter is consonant, we are getting the sound of vowel. So we are using the article "an" before these vowel sounds. Okay, next one, an MP, an X-ray, X-ray, an X-ray seat, an STD booth. Okay, next one, this article "an" vowel letters but having no vowel sound. Okay, here we are using a letter, the article a, though these words having a vowel letters, but these letters does not have vowel sounds. A university, a union, a useful thing. So we are using the article a before these words. Okay, a one-legged woman. Here you see a one-legged woman. We are saying one-legged, one sound we are getting here. So a letter, a article is used here. And then before the silent H words. Okay, here we are saying example honest. Okay, how do we pronunciate it? Honest, honest. Okay, we are getting the vowel sound here, honest, so that we are using "and" before this word, an honest man. Okay, the H is silent here. Okay, before the silent H words we are using the article "and." Like this we have many words here: an honorable minister, an or. Okay, next one. Now we are going to see the definite article "the." Okay, why we are using the definite article? It is used to indicate a particular person or a particular thing. Okay, that is used before the names of the rivers, the names of the seas, the names of the mountain ranges, group of islands, the Ganges, the Bay of Bengal, the Himalayas. Okay, before these words we have to put the definite article there. Okay, next one, names of the universal thing. Okay, we have to put the definite article there before the universal thing, like the sun, the moon, the earth, the Mars. And also the holy books, names of the holy books, the Bible, the Gita, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, the Quran. Okay, next one, the definite article there, class or religion of people. Okay, uh, the Christians. Okay, we have to write like this: the Christians, the Muslims, the Hindus, the Sikhs, the Buddhists. சரியா? Then ordinal numbers. Before the ordinal numbers we are using the definite article the first, the second, the third, the last. Next one, before the superlatives we are using the definite article the cleverest, the best, the most beautiful. Okay, next we are move on to instruments. Before the instruments we are using the definite article the piano, the violin, the guitar. Okay, so far we learn where we use the definite and indefinite. Okay, so far we are learning where we have to use the definite article and indefinite articles. Now we are going to learn the omission of articles. Okay, the article is not used before the proper noun. We should not use the articles before the proper noun, before the name. Okay, before the word Chennai, Madurai, Coimbatore, like these words we should not use the articles. We should not use any articles. Okay, next one, in before the abstract noun also we should not use the articles, like friendship, like honest, okay sorry, honesty. Okay, before that abstract noun we should not use these articles. Okay, then before the plural nouns we have to omit the articles before the uh, plural nouns. Apples, here the word we have apples. We should not use the articles before the plural nouns. Before the uncountable noun also we should not use the article. And then subject, like mathematics, English, physics, we should not use any articles before the subjects, like mathematics, physics, maths, sorry, English, science, like that. Name of the games, we should not use the articles before the name of the games, name of the meals, like that. Okay, okay, let us see the okay, let us see the table column now. Here the articles are separating here where we have to use these articles. Here the article A can be used before the words like chair, school, lion, bed, man, women. Okay, and also the article and can be used before the word elevator, egg, oven, MLA, MP, insect, like that. Then the definite article there can be used before the Words Nile, Ganges, Indian, Ocean, largest city, because this is an superlative degree. So we are using the before that word. Then Bible. Okay. We have to omit the article before the word, like proper nouns Peter, name of the persons. We should not use this article. Then diamonds, because it's a plural noun. Then before the subject we should not use any articles. Then the meals of the day, we should not use it. Before the abstract nouns also we should not use any articles. Okay, let us see the exercise of this activity. Fill in the blanks with the suitable articles. Bring me a pencil, a ruler, and an eraser. Here we are getting a vowel sound, an eraser. Please go to post office and get me a card and a 1 rupee stamp and an envelope. Mr. Paul studies in a university in the USA. Almost all the teachers who taught him consider him an outstanding student. Surya started an organization to help the poor. Okay. Then here the word the represent the whole group of the poor people. So we are using the word the. Here the organization. Why we are putting the here? Here we are putting an organization. Here we are putting the organization. Because the organization is introduces in this sentence first time. In the first time, we have to use the indefinite article. Here, the organization is comes again in this sentence. So, we are using the definite article there and gives a helping hand to everyone in distress. Next one, those is an MA. We are getting a vowel sound there, MA. An elementary school teacher in a remote village, but she is not worried the least. Here the superlative degree the, so the least about it. Okay, these are the answers for these questions. Dear students, please note it down in your Bridge Course module book. We will meet in another activity. Thank you.